Cordial saludo, mi nombre es Fernando Ortegón. Dentro de la guía, pues nos piden hacer un video utilizando los tiempos futuros will y going to. Para eso, pues voy a dar respuesta a las preguntas de la entrevista. Entonces, one, where will you lie in 10 years? I will lie in comfortable house in a peaceful city with my family. Tooth, what you have it. I will work as an engineer and help farmers improve crop production. Treat, will you match with technology or robots with? Yes, I will. I will use technology and smart machines because they will make work easier faster. 4. What will your daily routine be like? I am good early exercise, go to work, and spend time with my family in the evening. Uh, Private. What place are you going to visit? I am going to visit places like Canada, Brazil, and Japan. Uh, Six. Will you travel with your family or friends? I am will travel with my family because I enjoy sharing special moments with them. 7. What these things will people be able to in the future? People will be able to travel faster, use more advanced technology, and maybe live in space. Vamos con la 8, ¿sí? La 8. La 8, entonces 8. With city change the future. City will be more modern, cleaner, and more connected with technology. 9. Will transporting be faster and cleaner? Yes, it will. Transporting will be faster, safer, and environmentally friendly. 10. What you do in the future? I am would was time was on the port things and I am what the start learning. 11. Hot with relationships be different. Relationships with be more digital, but family bonds with remain important. 20, 12 dozen. With my two habits in the future. I could eat, had, had I studied just, I spending time with my family, with my husband.